Hi there. Are you in an LLC as an owner with at least one other owner who wants to get out of the LLC? I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners, and I'm going to tell you the 5 steps that you need to consider when this situation arises. So if you're an owner in a business that's formed as an LLC, you may encounter a situation where one or more of the other members wants to exit the LLC. So what do you do when that happens? First, you need to review any operating agreement that was drafted and signed by all the members. If you don't have an operating agreement, then of course you can't review the operating agreement. We'll get to that in a minute. But the next thing you need to do is to review the state law relating to LLCs and withdrawal of members in LLCs, because you have to comply with your operating agreement and you have to comply with state law when the person who is getting out transfers their interest either back to the LLC or to one of the other members. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is you need to decide how much, if anything, the person who is exiting is going to get paid for transferring their interest. It really depends. So many times businesses are really not worth a whole lot, let's say, on the market. Owners throughout the course of the business and throughout the life of the business have recouped profits in the form of distributions, but their actual interest might not be worth anything to sell back to the remaining owners, or it might be worth a whole lot. So that's what you need to decide among all of the owners, is what amount is going to be paid to the exiting owner. Next, talk to the company's CPA. You really need to figure out what the tax ramifications of this transaction are going to be, because there may be certain ways that you can structure the transaction to make it much more acceptable from a tax basis for either the remaining members or the person exiting. Next, and this is really important, have a lawyer draft the transfer documents. Do not try to do this yourself. Last, if you don't already have an operating agreement, have a lawyer draft an operating agreement for you. And if you already have an operating agreement, then once that one or more members exits the LLC, you need to revise that operating agreement. These are all things that I can help you with. Check our contact information below and give me a call anytime. Thank you.